Alright, so today we're making a video. We're going to check on this max feel I got all over my fingers. According to Google, coat our fingers in Vaseline, stick in a glove, hold it for an hour. We'll see how it works out here. So, let's see what this looks like. Oh. Alright, fingers coated. Well, almost coated. Now, according to this, or according to Google, the Vaseline will break up, I guess, the sticky components. I don't know. I'm supposed to put this on, coat it completely, put the rubber glove on, leave it for an hour, take the glove off, and then just wash it off. And it's supposed to come off with it. This is new. I've never heard of this before. So, I'm going to try this out, see how it works. And I'll be back in about an hour. Sooner for you guys. To see how this is going to work out. Yeah. We'll see if... I don't know. Might work. Anyway, we'll be back in an hour. Sooner for you. Alright, now I don't know if I have any faith in this method or not. It kind of feels weird. But apparently, we just pull the glove off, wash it off, and it's supposed to, everything's supposed to come off. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work. I don't think it stayed on there enough. But it might, I don't know. And now it's been over an hour, so it's not like I didn't leave it on long enough.
Is it coming off?
No. I think that was a fail. Didn't get none of it off. Alright, bottom line is, if you use this stuff, do not touch it. If you touch it, it's stuck. I have used fingernail polish remover, Vaseline, and gasoline. Gasoline wound up just, it's burning my fingers now. Guess I just held it in there too long. It is peeling a little bit, and I believe that's more the Vaseline maybe than anything. But yeah, now my fingers is burning where I put it in the gasoline. So bottom line is, if you're going to use this stuff, use gloves. Anyway,